Only 1% can ace this science and nature quiz. Are you one of them? How many teeth does the average adult mouth have, except for wisdom teeth? The answer is 32. Ganymede is the largest moon of which planet? The answer is Jupiter. Along with oxygen, which element is primarily responsible for the sky appearing blue? The answer is nitrogen. Which Swiss psychologist is synonymous with the concepts of introvert and extrovert personalities? The answer is Carl Jung. All the following metal elements are liquids at or near room temperature except. The answer is beryllium. How do you do? Comment your score below. Follow us for more quizzes and challenges.